Hey everyone, it's Professor Clark, and in this very short little lecture, we are going to learn more about the prepositional case of pronouns. Pronouns in the prepositional case have their own forms, which are not completely dissimilar to noun and adjective forms, but are nonetheless their own forms. So there's a chart in your textbook, which I have basically recreated here. You see we have the nominative что, what, but if we want to say about what, we say о чем. If we have кто, who, we're going to say о ком, about whom. And then the first person singular, я, we say обо мне. And notice this special form here of о becomes обо, обо. And we pronounce it unstressed, so it is обо мне, about me. Ты becomes о тебе, about you. On and оно have the same form in the prepositional. They both become о нем. Она becomes о ней. Мы о нас, вы о вас, and они о них. And notice the N in the third person forms. The third person pronouns in their inflected, their non-nominative forms often have a form for use with prepositions and a form for use without prepositions, and the form for use with prepositions begins with N. Because the prepositional case is always used with a preposition, it's always going to have the N form here in the prepositional case of the third person. So there you have it. Just keep looking at that chart, and I always recommend copying out charts. It's very, very useful to copy out charts by hand. It will also give you good practice in your handwriting. So that would be my suggestion for memorizing these pronouns.